Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're into mobile gaming and love finding easy ways to upgrade your gaming experience, you're in the right place. Make sure to hit subscribe and tap that bell so you never miss out on the latest tricks and hacks. Today, I've got a super simple hack method to score unlimited gold and diamonds in Flex City. No installs, no shady software, just a fast little trick that gets the job done. Let's get started. First thing you'll need is your player ID, small detail, but very important. Open up Flex City, go to your profile settings screen and find that string of letters and numbers. That's your unique user ID. Copy it or write it down, just keep it handy. We'll be using it in the next step. Ready? Let's keep going. Next, open your browser, Chrome, Safari, anything works, and head to the site I'm using today. It's packed with tools and cheats for a bunch of mobile games, but we're locking in on Flex City Unlimited Gold and Diamonds hack. Just use the search bar to find it fast, click the icon, and you'll land on the tool's main page. Simple stuff so far. Let's move to the next part. Now you'll see a short form pop up. Don't worry, it's quick. Pick your device system, Android or iOS, then paste in that user ID you grabbed earlier. Once you're sure everything's filled in correctly, hit the Proceed button. The system will connect to your game automatically, so just give it a few seconds to link up. Now for the good part, picking how much resources you want, select the amount that works for you, then hit Proceed. Behind the scenes, the tool handles everything securely. Proxies, encryption, all that stuff, so it's safe and smooth. Might take a minute to finish up. Hang tight, almost done. Before the resources get sent over, there's one quick step left. Human verification. This helps protect the tool from being abused by bots. Usually it means downloading and opening a free app from App Store. Takes just a couple of minutes, and there's a guide video if you get stuck. Do that, and you're all set. Once that's done, jump back into the game and check your balance. Your resources should be sitting there waiting for you. I tested this earlier, and yep, it worked. No waiting, no problems. Time to enjoy the game without worrying about grinding for hours. And that's a wrap. Super easy. And totally worth the few minutes. If this helped you out, give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Got a question? Drop it in the comments. I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. And don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss future guides, hacks, or tips. Thanks for watching, happy gaming, and I'll see you in the next hack tutorial.